Imagine knowing the exact words to say to a man to truly open up his heart to you. It's possible with the secret signals. These secret signals are hardwired into a man's genetics. They trigger intense feelings of love and attraction, fueling his desire to protect you. James Bauer, a veteran dating coach, discovered the secret signals. He's helped thousands of women transform their relationships into passionate romances. Women have used these secret signals to hook great guys from the first meeting. They've also transformed failing relationships into passionate romances. This presentation reveals these relationship secrets and much, much more. It's a real game changer for any woman who knows she deserves better.